Yeah, I am doing great, ma'am. Thank you for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. I'm pretty
Yes,
well. Thank you for asking too.
yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah, I think it is our first meeting, right?
Yes, right, ma'am. Right.
So, yeah, so we should introduce ourselves first of all, then we will delve into the conversation.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah. So, would you like to introduce yourself first? Or
As of you
what?
know, my name is Rohini.
Mhm.
I am from Karnataka, living in Bangalore. I have done BCom, but right now I am a full-time homemaker. I blessed with two kids. So I love to learn new things. So I want to polish my communication skill. So that's why when I get a free time, I would like to connect with co-learners. And apart from that, reading books, watching English content videos. That's all about me.
Wow, that's great. Oh, that's great. Great introduction from your side. So, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
now it's my turn. Yeah. So as you know that my name is Sushma and I'm from Delhi. I am also a homemaker. Then
Yeah.
after I joined like Ace Fluency, I downloaded Ace Fluency and Josh Talk. So after practicing over there, so now I am improving. And in between also I take my practice or I left my practice over there for a few months for some reason. So like then after I realized, okay, I decreased or my fluency went down because consistency should be there. So then after again I bounced back in this journey and now I am consistent here. And
Yeah.
while watching the conversational videos and podcasts, so yeah, I'm trying to learn this language and still I am learning, still I am practicing here because it is a long journey. We
Yeah.
can't say within a 1 month, within a 1 year, you can be fluent. No, for the but like you have to learn this language for so long because every time we come to know about any other things, right? So we can't say that there is any perfection here. Every time we have to learn the new things in it. So
Yes.
we can say it is a very long process to be fluent in English, right? Because most of
Yes.
the people they have completed 3 to 4 year here, they're still learning. And I have also watched one conversational video, that English Yaris video. There is a tutor like Nand Gopalan sir. He also mentioned in one video that he is also taking the classes from somewhere. So then I thought, oh my God, he is a tutor and he is also like learning somewhere. So where can I be consider myself?
Yes.
Right. So we are nothing right now. Right. We have to learn a lot. We have to work a lot. So
Yes.
yeah, that is my journey. In this way, I am learning.
Yeah. Right, ma'am.
Yeah.
Right. I think we are in the same page. Like my
Hmm.
journey has started, I would say, more than 1 year. And initial days, I
Okay.
have enrolled one English course, online course, like a
Hmm.
4 month course. After finishing that course, I have a take a subscription Josh Skill apps too.
Okay. Yeah.
And
Hmm.
I came across a Skype group. So like 5 months ago, in that day onwards, I am using Skype group.
Wow, that's great. I have been using this Skype group only for 3 months. So yeah, and I have learned a lot, talking with the people. Because nowadays we are totally indulged in this Skype application. So since I got this application, I don't use those applications like Fluency or JoshKill. No, I
Yeah.
just use this application because it is
Yes,
very
ma'am. Yes.
comfortable. It is very easy to use, and all the people are very serious in this
Yeah.
application, right?
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is
Very
no
genuine
any
person.
frivolous thing is going on here because most of the people are matured and they are YouTuber. So for
Yes.
that, because they have and they are very passionate about the English language. But if
Yes.
we talk about the like Ace Fluency or Josh skill, so in like there are most of the people are there only for time pass, right? They
Yes.
are not that much serious about this language.
Uh,
So
uh,
now this application is really very very good application. It's
Yes,
amazing.
right,
Yeah.
ma'am, right. Whatever you mention, it is 100% true, ma'am. Even I have feel the same because when I was using Joshki Lab, I like figure out the people only using time pass, but come
Time
to
pass,
like
yeah.
Skype group, it is not like that. I figure out only genuine person who all are interested enhance their communication, like polish their communication skill. They people only every time send the like. Send the drop the message in the group. So yeah, even I too face the
Hmm.
same issues before that. Yeah, in I figure out, ma'am, like Skype group is very useful and we can enhance our communication in a better way, I
Easily, yeah.
think. Yeah.
In a better way. Yeah, right. You are right. Very
Yes.
true.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Shall we
Okay.
discuss on topic, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely. If you have any topics, so you can share. We will discuss
Yes.
on that.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. My topic is health and fitness. So, what do you do for health and fitness for yourself and your family?
Okay, first of all, I would like to mention here because I am a spiritual person. So, meditation. So, I follow that meditation seriously in the morning time and the evening time. So, after following this meditation, because if we want to be healthy or if our mind will be healthy, so we can, feel rejuvenate, or
Yes.
we can also manage all our work or all our family in a good manner, right? So, if we are healthy. So for that, I follow the meditation, some and any kind of meditation. And my husband is also very health conscious. So most of the time, we just eat only the healthy food, like the seasonal vegetables, we can say.
Yeah.
So I always like cook that vegetables. No any like sometime we can go outside, or because they are children, they don't listen us. Sometimes they order outside, so sometimes it can be happen. Sometimes we can also order from some time, but not always. Most of the time we prefer to eat only at home, like homemade food. So in that way, and for being healthy person, if you have like sometime you have a busy schedule, or you don't have so much time to do exercise or any other thing, so for that, like you just walk for some time on your terrace or any other place you can jog. So that's like I also do that in the morning time, because it is if you want to be healthy person, so you should follow some healthy tricks. Like if you should be an early bird, because if you get up early in the morning, so you can manage all the thing in a proper manner, proper way,
Yes.
right? So you should always get up early in the morning, and time management should be there, right? So if you manage your time, so you will not feel very stressed to do any other thing, and you have to prioritize your work to your all the work. And yeah, and we follow the healthy tricks always, and drink lots of water, like not lots of water, like eight glass of water of like whole day, it's enough. Like it's good for health. But if I can't say that more, like you have to drink a lot of water. No, that is also not beneficial for your health, right?
Yes.
Because some people say, okay, you should have lots of water, like 3 liter water in a day is enough for a
Yes.
healthy body, right? So in the night time, you shouldn't be and like how can we say night owl. You should go to your bed around 10:30 till 11. I think we should go
Enough.
to bed,
Enough.
right? So
Yeah.
this is also a,
Yeah.
a healthy habit. So these
Yeah.
kind of things I follow, and most of the time I go with the like seasonal things to eat,
Yes.
whatever that is fruits or vegetables. So it is also good,
Yeah.
because it is said that if you are eating that seasonal fruits or vegetables, so your 50% diseases or your 50% bacteria is not will like work in your body, like that is good for health, right? If you
Yes.
follow, if you eat always the seasonal things which is going on in that season, so it is
Yes.
also good, right?
Yeah.
So
Right,
yeah.
ma'am. Right. You said very beautifully. Like I think even for myself, I am also like doing the same way. Whatever you mentioned, I am also
Hmm.
like especially come to an like school days. I am also early bird. Wake up in the early in the morning. After
Hmm.
send my kids do the exercise like 45 minutes, and I'm
Hmm.
always like cook at home only. I prefer to like homemade food, and whatever you mentioned, I am also like to go with a seasonal fruit, vegetables.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
I do in the different types of food at home, and avoid as much as possible. Try to avoid junk food, and definitely you mentioned we can't avoid 100% junk food. I agree
Agree.
with that. But
Yeah.
as much as possible, we try to avoid. And at our home, definitely like we go with like only 1 or 2 months in outside. We have
Hmm.
taken an
Yeah.
outside
Right.
food, and
Correct.
try to like cut down oily items like pakoda, like that.
Hmm. Yeah.
I definitely
And
reduce.
yeah,
Yeah,
reduce. Yeah. But
yeah,
sometimes we
even
have to have that. Yeah. Right. Because
yes,
there is any, is there any festival? So we have to, cook that much of oily food like puris and pakoras and fritters. So these type of thing. So sometimes
yes,
it happens or sometimes we can eat, but not every time. Right. So
yeah,
it is
right.
not good for that. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also like doing the same thing, ma'am. Likewise,
Hmm.
like when I come to in festival season, that time only I prepared in sweet items. Rather
Hmm.
any normal days.
Yeah.
And like I already mentioned in oily food, definitely I cut down in every single day. Occasionally,
Hmm.
we will prefer to eat in oily food. And in junk food also, like we can only in the rarely, ma'am, we can go with in a rarely once in a blue moon
Yeah. Once in a
go
blue
with,
moon. Yeah.
junk food.
Hmm.
Yeah, we also doing the same manner.
Yeah, right. Because most of nowadays people are very health conscious. So
Yes,
they always think about these things because nowadays all the things are adulterative. We can't say that is we are getting the pure things these days. Because if we talk
yes,
about the seasonal fruits or vegetables also, they are also injected. We can't say that
yes.
is pure or
Yeah,
that is
right,
real.
right.
So yeah,
Yes,
we should also always think and after getting that any kind of vegetables and fruits, we should dip that things in a like a bucket of water for 24 hours or for like 2 to 3 hours so that we
yes,
can say that all the germs or all the bacteria and all the chemicals in if there is in visible in that fruits or vegetables so they can release over there and we can get
yes.
the fresh fruit or vegetables. Yeah.
Yeah, right, ma'am. Right. Even
Mm,
I
yeah.
too go with a seasonal fruit. When I get a seasonal fruit nowadays, mangoes season has started.
I
So
started.
that's what
Yeah.
mangoes and jackfruit. That season has started. I am go with
Mm,
the same manner. Whenever I get the seasonal vegetables and fruit,
mm,
definitely I would like to buy and I would like to eat this kind of veggies and fruit. And
yeah.
sometimes kids are reluctant to like eat the veggies, especially vegetables. But sometimes
Oh,
I force
they
to like eat the vegetables.
Yeah, they have to eat. They do that. They are ready to eat that reluctantly, right? They are not ready to take that thing interestingly. Oh no, I don't want to. Yeah, but we are bound. Like my husband is very health conscious, so that's why he doesn't allow to get lots of things from outside. But nowadays, like people, that children are grown up, so they just they just don't listen to us. So they do
Yes.
whatever they want to do because we can take care of our children when they are small or they are younger but if once they are grown up so they don't listen
Yeah.
to us,
Right.
right? So yeah, they do whatever they want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We always only should take care of themselves. Otherwise,
Yeah.
they don't listen our words. They always reluctant. Like whatever we said, they always not ready to
Hmm.
listen our words.
Yeah, right, right.
Yeah.
But when my children were like very small they are in school so that time they both children they got the like 3 years for 100 per three they got the prize or we can say reward like 100% attendance award
And
for three
yeah.
like continuously for three
3 years
years
continuously
yeah.
they have gotten.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
so that is only just because of my husband because he always he always because he always brings vegetables and fruits. I don't buy anything. He always buy all the
Okay.
grocery, all the vegetables. So he just, buy all the things in a proper manner. And though he doesn't buy any like junk food or any other other frivolous things, we can say. So that
Right.
is the reason I think, because my husband, because earlier when my children were in school, so that time they always used to say, "Mama, my all friends like to bring that and this, and why don't you give me the like brand sandwiches and any other
Yeah, right, ma'am.
burger and this?" Yeah. So, but yeah, I most of the time gave used to give them only the chapatis and vegetables,
Yeah,
not any
right.
kind of burger or sandwiches or any, chips or any other things.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same ma'am, same here. My daughter also so many times he is asking, please put on my snacks bag or do the
Mm,
sandwiches like that. He also asking, but I try to
yeah.
avoid ma'am, because bread
Mm,
is not good for health. So it made by
yeah.
flour, refined flour, right? So that's what I
Mhm.
avoid to do the all these things.
Yeah, right. So in that way we can be healthy, na? Otherwise,
Yes,
if always try to use or try to have the like junk food, how can we be like healthy, right?
yes, right,
So
right, right.
yeah, so yeah,
Yes, ma'am. I think we had
yeah,
discussed
a
a lot
lot,
about that
yeah.
topic. We
Now
had
we
a
should,
lot of
yeah,
conversation.
right. We should wind up the meeting. So, okay,
Yeah,
let's call it a day. Thank you so much for
yeah.
connecting me, ma'am.
Thank you so much
Okay,
for. Have a nice day, ma'am. Bye
yeah.
bye.
Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care, ma'am. Bye.